Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and this week we are doing the Cardi B hair mask. Sorry if like my voiceover sounds like a podcast. I'm taking a podcasting class this semester, so I don't want to change the settings because I just got my microphone working. Apparently it was never working properly in my last videos, which is why the quality was not great. Yeah, but for now, enjoy the podcast vibe. I didn't show myself in the first part of the video. I'm still having like, my hair was looking like very crazy, clearly, because it was hair day. And yeah, so this was like my second time doing the Cardi B hair mask. The first time, the consistency was a bit better. Well, it really depends, because it was more of like a thick cream mousse. I will probably insert a picture here. But like this time it was like more of like creamy, like soup. I think, like, I guess I would say like the consistency was like soup. And it was really nice, but I don't know. Well, my hair wasn't like shriveled up or anything, but you guys will see that later. So I made my own shampoo because I didn't want to do something that was like very abrasive. And the last time when I tried this mask, it was really nice. My hair was just like, oh my gosh, like without even like brushing anything out, I could feel my roots. Like it usually takes a while for like the water to really like, you know, get to the root of my hair. Oh yeah, so the shampoo actually worked and stuff like that. I'll see that later in the video. The shampoo was actually really cool. Like, it was like aloe. I used aloe, tea tree, and a little bit of honey. Everything did what it was supposed to do. You know, the moisture was there. So I just like pretty much do like what the video was doing. I just added like my own extra stuff. I will link like everything like down below that I use, like the honey and stuff. And I will also name like what I used. As well. So I used I don't think I showed all the products. So I use honey, flax seeds, an avocado, a banana. I put a little bit of aloe in there, like for the hair mask. And I also use grapeseed oil, Jamaican black castor oil. I use extra virgin olive oil, and the grapeseed oil was heated. I warmed it. And I put that inside of there. You don't really have to heat it. I don't know. I accidentally did that the first time because I was going to do an oil treatment instead of doing the Cardi B hair mask. But then I was just like, I decided to do the hair mask. And yeah. So that's why I like heated the oil again. I don't really think that it probably like makes a difference. I'm gonna like try and do like different stuff like next time. Yeah. But I have done aloe treatments before, and like that is really good. Like, it makes the hair so soft, and like your hair will literally feel stronger after that. And the curls will also get nicer too if you have a curly hair texture. so I just put my hair in sections, and I put the hair mask in it, and I kind of massaged it into my roots as well. And my hair, like, it was just easy to, like, I could like feel my scalp, and like my hair, I could like break it apart too, not break it apart, but like separate it into sections without forcing it. I noticed that when I did the mask a week prior, it did not, my hair was like really moisturized, but when I used my shampoo, it kind of like shriveled up, and like it kind of like extracted the moisture out. And my purpose of like making my own shampoo was to like keep that moisture in, but also get my hair clean, which worked. But I was being extra, and I added flax seeds and like herbs and stuff like that, and I just don't really recommend doing that, because the shampoo like wasn't like that abrasive. It being like very gentle with it, because I was trying to keep like the curls from like shriveling up and like, yeah, looking all types of crazy. Yeah, but other than that, definitely a 10 out of 10. Oh, and by the way too, so I was actually going to do like I was planning to do a braid out with my hair, but that didn't happen because I messed up, and the flax seeds were still in my hair after I started like combing my hair out of the shower, and they're actually still in my hair, and like some of the herbs that I mixed too, and that is like why my hair is up. You can't really see it. Like, I even had my roommates look, and they were like, they can't see anything, so I guess it's okay, but I can see. And I noticed like how much was like on my shirt, and like brushing my hair out still, like it, you can see, yeah. But so I'm gonna like, today's like wash my hair day again, and yeah, so like I wore it and like for like the whole week, because I have like stuff to do. So it's like not that bad, and honestly I really can't tell anymore, like if it's like there's not that much in there anymore, but at first I could really tell. That's it for the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed.